Yes, we see the first problem of circles which are related to 2 marks questions. Uh, Find the center and radius of the circle of equation x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. We have to find center and radius for this circle equation, which is x square y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96. Already we discussed in formulae the center of the circle is minus z comma minus f, and radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. By using these two formulae, we have to find center and radius of the circle. Let we see the solution of the first question. Right, first we have to write the given equation of the circle. The given equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. We have to compare this given particular circle equation with the general form. The general form of the circle is already we discussed in formula. The general form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The given circle equation has to be compared with this circle equation. By comparing these two circle, x square coefficient, y square coefficient are same, then we have to compare x coefficient. X coefficient is 2z is equal to 6. Next, if you compare y coefficients, 2f is equal to y, then g is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, g is equal to 3, 2 1s 2 4s, f is equal to 4. Then center minus z comma minus f. Here g we have 3, then minus z means minus 3 minus 4. This is center. The center of the circle is minus 3 comma minus 4. Next we have to find radius of the circle. The formula of radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Already we find that g is equal to 3, f is equal to 4. Then radius is g square plus f square minus c. G square means 3 square plus 4 square minus of minus 96. Here we have to compare c. Here c is minus 96. Then g square means 3 square, f square is 4 square, minus of minus 96. 3 square means 9, 4 square 16, minus of minus plus 96. Here we have to add all those numbers. 96 plus 16 plus 9, 9 plus 16 25, 25 96 121. Square root of 121 is equal to 11. Then the radius of circle is 11. Next question. Find the center and radius of the circle. Square root of lm square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy. For this circle we have to find the center and radius. Then here the given circle is square root of 1 into m square of x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy. For this circle we have to find the center and radius. Already we know that the formula for center and radius are the center is minus g comma minus f, and radius is square root of g square f square minus c. First we have to write the given circle equation. Later we have to compare this circle with the general form. Then we have to find g and f. Then later we find the center and radius also. Like this we do. Right, we will see the solution. Right, first we have to write the given equation of the circle, which is square root of 1 plus m square x square plus y square. Here if you observe that the x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be same. Minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equal to 0. We have to change this circle with standard notation, like we should have x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be always 1. If you want to get x square coefficient, y square coefficient is 1, we have to divide square root of 1 plus m square. After dividing this, we can rewrite it as x square plus y square by dividing square root of 1 plus m square. Here we get cancel square root of 1 plus m square, then we get x square plus y square minus 2cx divided by square root of 1 plus m square minus 2mcy divided by square root of 1 plus m square is equal to 0. Then we have to compare this particular circle equation with the general form. We know that the general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. By comparing x square coefficients, y square coefficients, x coefficients, y coefficients, we get all the values. By comparing x square coefficient are same, y square coefficient are same. By comparing x coefficient, here x coefficient is 2g, 2g is equal to minus 2c divided by square root of 1 plus m square. Next, y coefficient is 2f is equal to minus 2mc divided by square root of 1 plus m square. Here c there is no constant, so c is equal to 0. Then we find all values of g. Here 2 will be cancelled, then g is equal to minus c divided by square root of 1 plus m square. F is equal to minus mc divided by square root of 1 plus m square. Then we have to write the center minus z comma minus f. Already we find g minus of minus plus c by square root of 1 plus m square. Next, minus of minus plus mc divided by square root of 1 plus m square. Next, we have to find the radius of the circle. The formula for radius of the circle is square root of g square plus m square minus c. Here we have the g and f values. F values. By using these two values, we find the radius. We know that g is equal to minus c divided by square root of 1 plus m square plus f is equal to minus mc divided by square root of 1 plus m square whole square. We know that c is equal to 0. After squaring, minus of minus square is equal to plus c square. Square and root will be cancelled. Here also square and root will be cancelled. Minus square is equal to plus, that is c square divided by 1 plus m square plus m square c square divided by 1 plus m square. By taking LCM, we get 1 plus m square is an LCM. Here 1 plus m square are same. Then the coefficient is here only c square. Here also a plus m square c square. Here we will get c square plus m square c square. By taking c square as a common, that too it will be in square root, so it will get out of the root. Then we will get c only, c into square root of 1 plus, here c common, then 1 plus m square will be there. Then c into square root of 1 plus m square divided by 1 plus m square. Here 1 plus m square cancel. Square root of 1 is equal to 1. Then c into 1 is equal to c. Here the radius is c. Yes, do you understand? Yes. We see the next problem. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle with the radius, find the value of the c. Here given the circle equation, this will be represented as circle equation. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. Already we have a radius is 6. Then we have to find the value of c. For this we have to use the radius formula. Why? Because in problem we have radius is 6. The formula of radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to c. This is the this is the radius formula. By using this formula we find c value. First we have to find center, later we get the radius. First we have to write the given, for this is the procedure. First we have to write the given circle equation, later we have to compare this circle equation with the general form. By comparing the general form we have to compare the x coefficient and y coefficient. X coefficient is 2z, y coefficient is 2f. X coefficient is 2z, y coefficient is 2f. Here 2z is equal to 2z is equal to x coefficient minus 4, 2z is equal to minus 4, then g is equal to 2 ones to 2, g is equal to minus 2. Next we have to compare y coefficient. Y coefficient 2f, 2f is equal to 6, 2 ones to 3s, f is equal to 3. Then we get the values of g and f. G is equal to minus 2, f is equal to 3. Then we have to write the center c is equal to minus z comma minus f, as minus of minus 2, 2 comma minus 3 will be the center. Next here we got the radius is equal to 6. The formula of radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Then g is equal to, we know that the value of g minus 2 square is equal to 4, f square 3 square means 9, c already c is c square root, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus c is equal to 6. By squaring on both these sides, then we will get 13 plus c is equal to 6 square means 36. Then c is equal to 36 minus 13, 36 minus 13, right? Then we get the values ac is equal to here 13, here we get this value is 13, 13 minus c is equal to 36. By shifting this value, minus c is equal to 36 minus 13, then minus c is equal to 23, then c is equal to minus 23. Here we get c is equal to minus 23. Next problem, right? If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0 is a circle with center 2 comma 3. Here in the problem we have center 2 comma 3, then we have to find the g comma f and its radius also, right? Here we have to find the g and f values and also radius also, right? First we have to write the given equation of the first we have to write the given equation of the circle, right? The given equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to compare the given circle is with the general form. The general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? Already we have given the center 2 comma 3. The formula for center minus z comma minus f, which is equal to 2 comma 3. Then minus z is equal to 2, minus f is equal to 3, then g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Then by comparing constant we get the c value. C is equal to minus 12. Then we can easily find the radius. The formula for radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Then g means 2, 2 square minus 2 square means 4, f means minus 3 square means 9, c means 12, minus of minus 12 plus 12, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12 root 25 is equal to 5. Here we got the radius, 5, and also we already find g comma f values. G is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Here what the problem has given, the equation of the circle has given, and we have to find the g comma f and later we have to find its radius. By comparing the given circle equation with the general form, we get the g and f values. How we get the g value? We get the g value by comparing x coefficient. How we get the y value, f value? By comparing y coefficient. Then we find the g and f. later by getting g and f values, easily we can find out the radius of the center, radius of the circle. The formula for radius of the center is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Next problem. If x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 is a circle with center 2 comma 3, then find a and b its radius. Right, here we have the circle equation x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 is a circle which has the center 2 comma 3, and here we have to find a comma b values, and later we have to find radius. Right, the general procedure is first we have to write the given circle equation. The given circle equation is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to compare this circle equation with the general form. The general form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. How we get the f and g and f values? By comparing x coefficient and y coefficient, we get the g and f values. Here x coefficient is a, then 2g is equal to a. Here y coefficient is b, then 2f is equal to b. Here g is equal to a by 2, f is equal to b by 2. By comparing constant, c is equal to minus 12. Here we get the g and f values, then easily we can find center is equal to minus g comma minus f, c comma minus f. Then center is equal to minus g comma minus f, minus g means minus a by 2, minus f means minus b by 2. This is center. Then already we have given that the center is 2 comma 3, then we have to equal to this minus a by 2 minus b by 2 equal to 2 comma 3. By comparing these two, we get minus a by 2 is equal to 3, then a by 2 is equal to 2, then minus a is equal to 2 into 2 4, minus a is equal to 4, then a is equal to minus 4. Next we have to comparing and equating minus b by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to 3. By cross multiplying, minus b is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 6. Here we get the values of a and b. A is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 6. In the question, first he asked for that find the values of a and b. Here we find the values of a and b. We get the a value is minus 4 and b value is minus 6. Later we have to find the radius of this circle. By rewriting the circle, we get x square y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Later we find the radius 2g is equal to d. How we get g value? We get the g value x coefficient. Here x coefficient is minus 4, then g is equal to minus 2. Next we have to find f value. How we will get f value? Y coefficient is f. 2f is equal to minus 6, 2 1s 2 3s, f is equal to minus 3. Here we got the values of g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Then the radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Here we got the values of g and f. Minus 2 square plus minus 3 square minus half minus 12 plus 12. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, minus half minus plus 12, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, root 25 is equal to 5. Then the radius of the circle is 5. Next question. Find parametric equation of circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to find out the parametric equations of the given circle. First the solution is, first we have to write the given circle. Here the given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. this circle has to be compared with the general form of the circle. The general form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. By comparing x coefficient and y coefficient, we get the values of g and f. 2g is equal to minus 6, next 2f is equal to 4. Then we get the values of g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to 2, 2 ones to 2s, we get the g and f values. After getting g and f values, we have to find center. The center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g means minus of minus plus 3 minus 2. Then the center is 3 comma minus 2. Then next we have to find the center, the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c, which is g means minus 3 square. G means minus 3 square. F means 2. F means 2 minus 2 square. Right? 3 square means 9. 2 square means 4. Minus of minus plus 12. 9 plus 4. 13. 13 plus 12. 25. Root 25 means 5. Here the radius is 5, and next we have to find here we have to find the parametric equations of the circle. The parametric equations of the circle are, the equations are x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta, y is equal to minus f r sin theta. These two are called parametric equations of the circle. For this, we have to, if you want to find out the parametric equations, we have to get the values of g and f. Later we have to find radius, then only we get the parametric equations. For this only, we already find that minus g comma f and values, and radius also. Here we got g comma minus f, center 3 comma minus 2, radius is 5. Then now we can easily write as parametric equations. X is equal to minus g means here the g value is 3, minus of minus g means plus, minus of minus 3 is equal to 3. Then 3 plus r, we get the r value is 5 plus 5 cos theta. Then y is equal to minus 2 plus 5 sin theta. These two are called parametric equations. The parametric equations are x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta, y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. These two are parametric equations. For these parametric equations, we have to find g and f values and radius. Next question, find the equation of the circle whose center, here already given the center is minus 1 comma 2, and which passes through the center is, which is the circle which passes through 5 comma 6. Then we have to find the equation of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle whose center is given and which is also passing through 5 comma 6. We see the solution for this equation. Right, for the problem, see here we have to find this circle which has the center and which is passing through point 2p. Then we can easily find the circle equation. See here, first we have to given values. First we have to write the given values. Given center c is equal to minus 1 comma 2 and given point p is equal to 5 comma 6. Then already we have the radius formula. This is the distance between center to point is called radius. This is called the distance between 2 points. Center is a 1 point and p is also a 1 point. Then which is radius is the distance between 2 points. The formula for distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here already we know that the center is minus 1 comma 2 and point, the point has already given that which is 5 comma 6. then the distance between, let one be x1 y1, another be x2 y2, then minus 1. Here we have the 2 points, minus 5 comma 6 and minus 1 comma 2. Here we are writing x2 minus x1. The distance between 2 points formula is square root of x2 minus y. We can write x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square. We can write any of these two, no problem, right? Here we are writing x1 minus x2 whole square into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 square plus 2 minus 1 minus 4 square. 6 square means 36, 4 square means 16. 36 plus 16 is equal to 52. Then the radius is square root of 52. Then the equation of the center, then the find, here we have to find the equation of the center with the center minus 1 comma 2 and having radius root 52. The equation of the circle will be the equation of the circle having center h comma k and radius r is equal to radius r. Then we have to write the circle equation like this x minus h whole square having center h comma k and having radius r. Then the circle equation will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square having center h comma k and radius. Then the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then we have the values of h comma k. This is the center h comma k, this is the radius r. Then x minus of minus plus 1, x plus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square is equal to square r radius square root of 52 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. X plus 1 whole square, this will be a plus b whole square formula. We have to expand x square a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also a minus b whole square. We have to expand a square minus 2ab plus b square. Square root will be cancelled. Here we get 52. X square y square plus 2x minus 4y, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 is equal to 52. Here plus 52 will come this side, then we will get minus 52. Then rewriting this equation, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y, 5 minus 52 is equal to minus 47. Then the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 47 is equal to 0. Then the next question is find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2 comma 3 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Find here we have to find the equation of the circle and which is passing through 2 comma 3 and also which is concentric with the circle equation x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. The diagram will be like this. Here the circle is concentric with the another circle. Concentric means the circle is concentric, another circle means the two circles have the same centers. Then first we have to write the concentric circle. The equation of the required concentric circle will be the concentric circle will be like this only. Here we get the x square y square and x coefficient y coefficient will be same. The only thing is we have to remember, only the thing is the constant will be different. Remaining will be same. X square y square will be same, x coefficient y coefficient will be same. The only one thing constant will be different. Remaining are all same. Here it passing through point 2 comma 3. Then any circle is passing through 2 comma 3 means we have to substitute this point in the given circle. It means x is equal, we have to substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Then after substituting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, we get like this. And 2 square means 3 square plus 3 square, 8 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 8 2 are 16, next 12 3 are 36. Right, after getting these values, after adding these values, we get k value. 4 plus 9 13, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 16 29, 29 36 and 15 65. We get the value of 65 plus 65 plus 65. After getting these 65 k plus 65 is equal to 0, then k is equal to minus 65. We have to substitute this k value in this here. Then we get the value of k. Then the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y minus 65 is equal to 0.